So starting we will discuss what is Oracle Fusion Middleware environment, and followed by like what are the components in Oracle Fusion Middleware, and we'll understand like what is the purpose of each component and their dependency, and we'll see like how WebLogic Server as an application server it supports various Fusion Middleware suites. For example, like I was working on Oracle Identity and Access Management. That is one of the suite. We call this like Oracle IN Suite. Okay. Or we
Yeah.
have like Oracle, so we call it like Oracle Server Suite. Okay. And there are like Oracle EBS as well, e-business suite as well. Okay. Which will act as an ERP system. Okay. So these are the
Okay.
three examples for different various suites of Oracle Fusion Middleware. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, so yeah, we will be seeing like how we will be deploying the Java. So Java is the mandatory to install and configure Oracle WebLogic Server. And so once this overview is done, right, we will be seeing like we will see like I mean here it is not mentioned. We'll see like how to create an account from Oracle using your Gmail ID or with your company ID. So you can create a account. So the account is needed to download any Java platform or Java or any WebLogic application server. Okay. So we'll be
Okay.
looking into that, and followed by, so we'll see like how to download the Oracle WebLogic server. Okay. And we'll deploy the Oracle WebLogic server. I mean, see in earlier, right, in 10G and so in tomorrow session, I will explain you what is the difference in 10G, 11G, and 12G. Okay. Right now, I'm just giving in a high level. Okay. So in the
Okay.
previous version of 10G and 11G, right, there are three different modes that Oracle WebLogic support. You can install via graphical user interface. That is like there will be a jar file. You need to run the command. So you will be getting a pop up. You just need to do like next, 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 next. Okay.
Okay.
But when you go to the real time, right? Okay. So in
Mm.
real time, this graphical user interface won't be ready on your systems. Okay. So you need to use certain tools to enable the graphical user interface. Okay.
Okay.
Where you can request for a couple of clients, they will support. So whereas a couple of clients, right, what they will think like, why can't you go with the silent mode installation or command line interface? Okay. So there, that are the other two modes. Silent mode interface, silent mode installation is like we will be having the XML in form of response file, RSP file. So there will be a command just you need to run using the script, it will get installed. Okay, where GUI interface won't be there. So the other option is like command line. Command line is like on the command prompt you will be getting an option. You need to select 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then that's the where you can install the Oracle WebLogic server. Okay, so I will show you all
Okay.
this. Okay, so in 12C, right? I think in 12C it supports only GUI and command line. I think the silent mode installation is not there, but we'll have a look. So while running the graphical user interface, right, in the end we will be getting a script. Okay, that script we can save in the form of RSP file, and the same RSP file we can try to create a different domain. We'll see that while during the time of installation of Oracle WebLogic Server. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, that is what it is mentioned here. Okay. So installation and
Mm.
configuration includes like graphical and command line. Okay. And this is like after installing, we will be elaborating each and every component, like what each component, what the functionality of each component will do. Okay.
Okay.
And configure a domain means I was telling you, right? The installation and configuration happens in the same time. So I will be explaining you like what is a domain, what is admin server, what is a managed server, what is an enterprise. Okay. So that we will deep dive into. That will be I will be explaining into deep dive while I'm explaining like each and every component. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah. So what we can do, like we can, so initially we will create like two different domains. I mean, I'm not following this. I'm just giving a high level to you. Okay. So first we will create a standalone environment. Standalone environment is nothing but you will be having a single server, one admin and one managed server. Okay. So post that we'll
Mm.
try to create a cluster also. Okay. That includes one admin server and two managed servers. Okay. So that is like your high
Okay.
availability.
Mm.
Is it clear, Barry?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. And these templates is, see, all these templates, template is nothing but we will be creating while extending the, what is it, while extending Oracle WebLogic Server. That I think, see, tomorrow we will create a Oracle support account. If you have already, we'll try to download a jar and we'll try to install like, install Oracle WebLogic Server, install and configure. Okay.
Okay.
And so this is like command line interface. So WebLogic is having its own utility called WLST. So WLST is nothing but WebLogic scripting tool. Okay. So using this tool, what you can do that we will see while we are going to each and every class. Okay. And like I was explaining you, right, configuring the managed servers. So we'll create the managed servers in the form of like what in the standalone on cluster. Okay. And yeah. So node manager is one of the component in a WebLogic server. Okay. So what is the help of node manager is like, with the help of node manager, right, from the GUI console only, you can directly access like what you say. You can just start and stop your admin and manage servers. So no need, every time no need to go from the backend and run like start and stop script. Okay.
Okay.
So this also we will be saying, this also we will be configuring while installing and configuring. So all these components, right? So all these we will be getting while installing and configuration of the components. Okay. And
Yeah.
I will be showing you like each and every logs. What are the different loggings that are available, and what is the logging standard logging mechanism, and what is the recommended logging mechanism that we need to use or we need to suggest to the client. Okay. Also, we'll see like how to check the logs also. Okay. So there are different type of logs. Initially, the logs will be in the notification. Okay, let's say let's say you deployed a war file on the managed server. Okay, it was failed. So how you will debug? So that uh, so what you can do, like you can change the log level from notification to trace mode. There are different trace levels as well. I will explain you. So while we are going through the while we are going through day-to-day sessions. Okay,
Okay.
and. Yeah, these are the deployment components that I was actually explaining you, right? Other different type of deployment components. We'll see. I used to have one war file. I'll check that war file. If I am having that war file, right, we'll deploy that war file and we'll see how we can. I will just showcase you, right? So how we can deploy a war file on a WebLogic application server.
Okay.
Um, this you can ignore. I mean, this is like creating a deployment plan, nothing but you're creating your dev environment. Staging means the stage environment, different kind of environments how you can create. Let's say for example, okay, this maybe I will explain you while we are doing the installation procedure. Then you will understand like how you will notify the environment is production or UAT or prod environment. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, we will be having the data source, JDBC and with data source even. So while installing and configuration, right, this will come by default. And in this, see, all these data source we won't use. Okay. So what is recommended and what is required for Oracle WebLogic administrator, that I will deep dive into the sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So also we are having this JMS, Java Messaging Service. Okay, we'll
Mm.
see like how to see. Right now you can't create and test. Why? Because you should be having like a real-time environment to create a queues and topics. So I'll be explaining you like what are connection factors, what are queues and topics, what is like persistent messages. So how can you use that JMS? Okay, so I can explain you each and everything. Okay,
Okay.
and this clustering, as I highlighted, right, we will be doing the clustering as well. Clustering as well. Okay,
Okay.
and. Yeah, so in WebLogic also you can create I mean, there is a concept called security themes. So security themes is nothing but using the help of security themes, right? You can create a users and groups. Like let's say for example, you can create a user called Berry, and you can create a group called business, and you can assign the Berry user to the business user as well. Okay. So for
Oh,
testing purpose, you can create some dummy users and groups and all. But so in real time, if you have a requirement, then you need to use the security reams, my reams. That's where these security concept and configuration will come into the picture. Okay.
Okay.
And coming to performance tuning, see in standalone environment we can't do much of performance tuning, but I will let you know like what are the tuning levels that we need to take care. So I'll highlight each and everything with respect to the performance tuning. Okay.
Okay.
Um, So this is Java memory management. So WebLogic, see, we are installing WebLogic application server on top of Java. Okay. So Java by default it is having its own utility to collect like heap and stack dumps. Let's say for example, if you have a Oracle WebLogic server, let's say for the server is in the warning mode, okay, or it is telling like overloaded. So during that time, with the help of JVM utilities, so you can just there is a command called kill hyphen 3 with the process ID. Okay, so using that, what you can do, you can collect like heap and stack dumps. So that will help you like to see like where the server is getting overloaded. Okay.
Okay.
So this is this is overall the core syllabus of Oracle WebLogic Query. You can let me know if you have any questions.
Uh, and on my end, what is the prerequisite to have in order for for this course coverage?
You should be having 8 GB laptop,
Mm.
or if you are having 16 GB, that would be great.
Okay.
Okay. So why? Because I mean, see, if you are having 16 GB, we can deploy the WebLogic application server on the virtual box and we can install. Otherwise, so what we need to do, we need to just install on your local system. Okay. So rather than that, it's always best practice to have a virtual box without disturbing your local, what is it, local OS. Okay. So we'll have a virtual box. So you can download Windows 2011 19 iOS file. I'll show you tomorrow how to download. Okay. So each
Okay.
and everything. And see, I won't be doing on my machine. So you will be sharing your screen. I will be guiding you. Okay, you are the one who will be doing with your own hands. Okay.
Okay.
So that's where even you will get confident. Like you will be knowing like what you're doing, and you will be getting confident.
Okay.
Okay. So what is your laptop configuration, Barry?
Sorry?
So what is your laptop configuration? So you are having
Uh,
Mac or what is it? What
no,
is
no,
the
it's HP window operating system.
Windows operating system, right? So what is your configuration? Laptop configuration is 16 GB or 8 GB?
You mean RAM?
Yeah, correct,
RAM,
RAM.
yeah, RAM is 80 GB.
So RAM is 8 GB, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem. We can try to deploy on your local system. Otherwise, we'll have a virtual box. We can give like 4 GB to that virtual box, and we'll try to install the WebLogic server.
Okay. I think that should be that's the best option to have.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll try to figure it out how we can do.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any other questions, Barry?
And also, I mean, the WebLogic software to be installed. Oh, that one
I
you
will. I
said
will
that.
just showcase you tomorrow.
Mm,
So we can start classes from tomorrow from day one, right? I mean, so you can try to register for a Oracle account. Okay, I'll show you like how you can download Oracle WebLogic server. I'll show you like what is the recommended Java that is required for Oracle WebLogic server. Then we'll try to download Oracle Virtual Box. We'll try to install on your laptop. Okay, and we'll try to copy the software from your desktop to your virtual box. So that's where I mean tomorrow we can do that, and day after tomorrow we can start with our installation and configuration.
okay.
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 Yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, Berry.
And also, what is your availability? Just available time based on if that's the morning or the evening.
Um, So just give me like 2 hours of time. I will confirm with my availability timings. Let me check my calendar also. Also, just let me know what are your availability timings in the morning, in the IST time, and maybe in the maybe in the evening times as well.
And also you said that you will not be available on 21st this month.
See, I think I can take sessions from tomorrow. I can take on Saturdays and Sundays also. Okay.
Okay.
See, I can we can try to complete half of syllabus by 20th.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So once I'm back, right, during this week, right, you can practice whatever we did for 1 week. Okay. So once I'm back, right, we'll cover other topics and we'll wind it up.
Okay.
So you can think like it's 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, we can in 14 sessions we can complete the Oracle WebLogic Server, Berry. Daily you
Okay.
can
40
take it. Daily you can take it like 1 hour.